Welcome back, Happy Platers! And our special Happy Plate for today is Thai red curry noodles. So let us get ready and start cooking! On your preheated pan, let us saute the red curry paste. So we will use 3 tablespoons of this one and we will toast it on the oil. Once toasted, we will now add our white onion. Then we will just have to stir them all together. After stirring, let us add the garlic and the green bell pepper. The green bell pepper here is just optional. If you want something very spicy, you can make use of a spicy pepper. I'm adding my chicken stock. I made this earlier from boiling the chicken breast. And 300 ml of water. After adding water, we will now add our patis or fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just to add some color. And to add a body in the taste, we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we stir and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's simmering, we will now add our coconut milk. Slowly, we pour in half of it, and once it's boiling completely, we will add the rest of the coconut milk. Just have to let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes and then set it aside while cooking your rice noodles. So here, I'm boiling the rice noodles. Done, we will top it with chicken breast, boiled tofu, and boiled egg. And top it with some basil. And that's so easy. Our happy plate for today, Thai red curry noodles. Let's eat! Happy plate!